Feeling like it's time to break up with Temu? Let's walk through exactly how to deactivate or permanently delete your account to protect your privacy and take control of your data. First, open the Temu app on your phone or tablet. Once you're on the main screen, look for the U tab, typically located at the bottom center or right-hand corner. Tap on it. Now, on the U page, find the settings icon. It looks like a gear, and it's usually near the top or bottom of the screen. Tap on Settings to access your account options. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you see Account Security. Tap on Account Security. This is where we'll find the options for deactivation or deletion. Here's the crucial step. Look for Delete Account. Be extremely careful, as this action is permanent. Tap on Delete Account. Temu will now display a warning message, making sure you understand the consequences of deleting your account. Read this message carefully. It will explain what data will be removed and what you'll lose, like order history and any unused credits. Then, confirm your decision. To proceed, you might need to verify your identity through a code sent to your email or phone number. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the deletion process. This might involve entering a verification code sent to your registered email address or phone number. After verification, your account deletion will be processed. Deactivation is the same process, but a simple step, as you will not need to complete a verification.